The Holy Spirit for those who want to see beyond. Let's compare the physical network of the Internet as a body and the transmitting antennas, as being the spirit, and computers, as being people. When the network wants to transmit an e-book, or an image, a film, the antenna does not need to leave the body and go to the person's house. Thus, the Holy Spirit is part of God's body. When He wants to transmit something to people, or perform some physical phenomenon, He does not need to leave God's body, in the same way that the antenna transmits. The Holy Spirit also transmits waves energy that can accomplish everything He wants. The Holy Spirit can speak, intercede, and grieve, because the Holy Spirit is the Spirit of God, who is holy and has all the senses that we have, as we are His image and likeness. Other times the Holy Spirit is mentioned figuratively, for example, being filled with the Holy Spirit. Of course, the Holy Spirit will not leave the body of God and enter us. It is the spiritual waves of the Holy Spirit that penetrates our body, and we are filled with these vibrations and can produce the gifts and fruits of the Holy Spirit. We can symbolically say that we are full of the Holy Spirit, as we are, literally, full of the fluids that emanate from the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is part of a person who is God. The other part of God is the infinite universe. We can call the Holy Spirit God, but we must understand that the Holy Spirit is a part of God, the spiritual, energetic part. The spiritual brain that directs everything and that emanates its radiation to the entire universe, and through this radiation, everything happens by your will. How can I prove this in the Bible? We are the image and likeness of God. We have a body and a spirit that gives life to that body. Thus, our spirit is the image of the Holy Spirit and our body is the image of the body of God. Our body is made up of atoms, which is a miniature of a solar system. The body of God is formed by solar systems that make up the infinite universe. If we magnified our body trillions and trillions of times, we would see the universe. Each atom would be the image of a solar system. If we reduced the universe trillions and trillions of times, we would see God, but that would not be possible, because the universe is infinite. When God reports that He sends His Holy Spirit, do not take it literally. As the Holy Spirit remains in the body of God, only energetic vibrations of this Spirit reach people, and as they are emanated by the Spirit of God, we can symbolically say that it is the Spirit Holy.